Hello everyone, I'm Pete Wright with LexJet, and I'm joined today with Joel Wilcock of UFabrik. Joel, how are you doing today?
I'm doing very well, and I appreciate you guys having me.
Here to talk about another one of your really great medias, and this one's really cool. I mean, it does some things that you just don't see on the industry. Tell me what we're talking about today.
This is one of my most favorite products that we have, probably because it took one of the longest times to develop. It's very complicated, and it's our soft backlit textile for dye sublimation.
So one of the things that I noticed, and we've talked about here as a staff, is this is one of the ones that we've seen where the sample was actually mostly black. And that says a lot. So talk to me about why the sample is predominantly black.
I'm glad you pointed that out because, in terms of producing samples, the safe sample would have gone to, chosen a piece of artwork that was, very forgiving. This is not forgiving. This is very dark. And it's because the blacks on this product that you can achieve are second to none in the market.
So with this application, typically where we see a lot of this is in trade shows and things like that.
Yeah, well, trade shows for sure, you see a lot of it, but you're gonna see a ton of this in airports, in light boxes, you're gonna see it in retail environments, that sort of real pop of color to, attract customers in and show detail in their artwork.
So with those applications, this is a dye sublimation product.
Yes, it is.
And that's why it's important that this is in black, because in dye sublimation, black's really hard to achieve, really true dark black.
Yeah, blacks are very tricky, and that's why inherently you'd find a lot of customers playing it safe running UV backlit textile, because you're printing direct to a coating on the top surface. You can lay down multiple layers of ink so you can get a real dark, rich color, but then you do get a more of a crunchy product that's prone to cracking and bruising and creasing. So there really hasn't been a backlit textile in the market that is a standout product. There in terms of dye sub, there's been a lot that have come to the table, and some have pros and cons. And this product is now our ultimate product for backlit light boxes in the dye sub market.
Now, we recently did a trade show with you, and our entire booth was printed on this specific media.
Yep.
And I got to tell you, the colors were just off the charts good. I mean, you could look at it and the colors absolutely popped.
Yeah.
And like you said, the areas that we did have black, again, just bold black.
Yeah.
I think we got compliments throughout the show that everybody's saying you had the best looking booth there.
Yeah.
And it's due in large part to just the graphics that we were able to print on this specific media.
Yeah, well, it wasn't just yourselves that wanted to, showcase this product. EFI on their booth also had this, product in a light box slapped right next to their fab review. And there's a reason for that, because it showcases that technology the absolute best.
Now, how does this do with stitching?
Yeah, great. I mean, the product itself, it's a woven product, but it's extremely tightly woven. So, you're not going to get any of that fraying or anything like that. You get a bit of hairlines, but once you fold it in and run an SEG on the side, the product's great. It goes into the light box. It's very forgiving. It has a very, very slight bit of stretch in the material, which is perfect to get that drum skin effect. And once you flick on the lights, it's great.
Joel, thanks for sharing with us about this product. It's fantastic. Welcome. And if you have any questions about it, reach out to us at 1-800-4LEXJET or LexJet.com. We have representatives ready to answer your questions and tell you what products are the best fit for you.